Hello, I am going to show you how to make an appointment to meet with one of the many services that BRCC has to offer. To get started, log into your MyBRCC account. Once you're logged in, click on EAB Student Navigate. Once you click into your EAB Navigate Student, you can, on the left-hand side of your screen, click on Appointments. From here, you'll click on Schedule an Appointment. As you can see, as you click this drop down, you will see all of the different services that you can schedule appointments for. You have admissions, career services, disability services, financial aid, and a few others. So in this case, we're going to schedule an appointment with our admissions counselor. So we're going to click admissions. In this case, they want to know what our last name starts with. So in this case, the student's last name starts with an F. And we want to pick a day to try and schedule for. So in this case, we're going to try to schedule for tomorrow, which is July 14th. We're going to find an available time. So as you can see, there are several available times and even beyond what we had originally selected. So in this case, let's select this particular appointment. So before we finalize our appointment, we'll want to review the information. This is an appointment for admissions. We'll confirm our last name, the date, and the time. In this case, the location is the first floor of Half Student Center. But you can also select whether you'd like to meet in person or virtually, and sometimes over the phone. So in this case, we're going to select to meet in person. And if you have any other notes, you would want to share it in this box here. You'll receive an email reminder and a text reminder if you choose these options, which I encourage you to do. And you'll also want to make sure you leave a phone number for a text reminder. We're going to click Schedule at the bottom, and our appointment has been scheduled. Now that our appointment has been scheduled, we can go in and view our appointments. We can see here our appointment details. And also keep in mind, if you need to cancel, you can cancel at the bottom of the screen here. And we can see here our appointment has been canceled.